For some time now, we can all attest to the fact that things are changing in the technology world. Yeah, we are not seeing most of them, but we are actually hearing them and somehow seeing some. Yeah, but what we need to know is that things really have changed, more especially in the phone world, where things compared to 10 years ago to 5 years ago to last year and this year. Comparing this year and last year, we can see that there's a great difference of what we have, even to our phones, from the display to the core to the memory capacity to whatever. The versions of everything is really increasing or it's really changing. This really tells us that science is tentative or technology is tentative, meaning that it can be improved upon. What am I trying to catch us on over here? What I want us to get is that in the phone world, there are some months ago where Samsung and Motorola came out with these foldables we have, where you can be able to use your phone that looks like a tablet, or in the foldable form where you can even do two things at the same time, just foldable. Okay, of which is also a different type of videos we'll be getting very soon if time permit us. And just that in this part of our world, getting those things available here is very difficult, more especially in Ghana. Clearing your goods at the ports, you can be able to buy them outside the country, but before they get in here, the price here is very, very high. That's our problem. So if you want to listen to more tech news or tech tips or get more things that are happening outside there, sub to this channel will go along with helping the two of us to either hear what is actually happening outside, and in time we can probably getting some sponsors from Lenovo or whatever for us to be able to get what we want to do. Okay, so you give a sub, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell there so that in case I upload any video, you get it or you'll be the first to get it. What am I trying to get upon? As I said, Samsung and Motorola are coming up with these foldable phones we have, and actually iPhone and Samsung also have some problem with Escobar. All right, that's actually a different story at a different time. But recently, that's some months ago, I've heard about Lenovo also making something foldable, of which is a laptop. Okay, in the way it's a tablet by a laptop foldable, and then this is the first one ever made by any company in the world, the first ever foldable tablet existing today. All right, and it's not that bad, it's really cool. All right, so let's actually dive into what they have. Actually this foldable tablet is called Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold, which actually comes with it's a 13.3 inch OLED display screen with a hinge and then a leather cover. The hinge is what actually makes it foldable. It folds into two to make it more portable, or looks like a lady's purse you actually hold it. And it's having two USB-C ports for charging as well, depending on how you're actually turning it. And also the power button and the volume located at the right side of it. And it's a 5G inbuilt and Windows 10 64-bit, having a resolution of it's a 2K, that's a 1536 resolution, and I think that is really awesome with it. And inbuilt 1 tera SSD, and actually that depends. Okay, it comes in different form. Of the SSD, you have the 256 SSD to the 1 tera one. Okay, with an Intel CPU and 8 gig RAM. In Ghana here, someone said that is, wow, a gaming machine has been turned into a tablet. Very powerful, very, very powerful. As well, because there are ranges. The first range, which is having the 256 SSD, does not have a pen support, but the rest also have a touch pen, which you'll be able to use to type and do whatever. The most nice and fascinating part is that it's good for you to do a lot of stuff. You can use to read, or actually looks as if you're reading a Bible. And into the form which is like a tablet. Lenovo has done this very, very great, and I'm very happy to see that because they are the first company coming up with it. And this Lenovo company actually have a lot of stuff that I just like Lenovo products, from their laptops to their phones, and a tablet which looks like a laptop. Let me say tablet laptop. It's cool. It's cool to have. The fascinating part is that they have the virtual keyboard which you use to type, just like our normal phone's keyboard. But aside that one, they have the raw keyboard with a Bluetooth connections to the tablet, and also having a magnet attached which you can be able to use to sit on the screen. And when you can be able to close the screen on it, looking as a laptop, and that is perfect. And for more videos, don't forget to give a sub, a thumbs up, and also hitting the bell and share with your colleagues as well. Till we meet again in the next video. I said adios.